So now it's the turn of the Network Manager CLI program, NMCLI. Sometimes working with a graphical environment or even the tabbed user environment, it's trying to find exactly how to do something. So even though they try and help with these menus, sometimes it still doesn't really work. So when I look at the NMCLI command, I can then hit CO for connection and hit my tab. And then I can hit S and then tab, and it's showing the show subcommand. So I have tab completion even for my subcommands. If I go through and hit enter on that, then I can see the two connections that I have, my local and my net plan. Well, maybe I want to see a little bit more detail on the net plan. So if I go through and just hit N for net plan and the tab, now that completes as well. Now we're going to see an awful lot of information here because it's showing every property, whether it's set or not. So I'm just going to hit Q for quit and Control and L. We can go through and start searching some of this information by piping the output through to grep and searching for IP version 4. So we're seeing all of the IP version 4 settings. So this now all fits on one page. But we can see the IP version 4 method, auto, means that we're getting an address via DHCP. We can see our IP version 4 addresses, and we can see that we've got a list of addresses, and this is comma separated. If I clear out, if there was something that we specifically wanted to look for, then we don't have to look, let's say, for IP version 4. We could go through and look for method. And we can see there that we've got an IP version 4 method, but also an IP version 6 method, which we're ignoring. And we've also got a proxy method where we could try and pick up the address of a proxy server. And again, that's not configured at the moment. So the command line environment still has its struggles, but we do have tab completion, and we are able to quickly search for settings that we are interested in.